So group over here, Elian, you need to get closer. Y'all take 1 and 2 and tell me what those 2 words mean. You guys take 3 and 4. Unfortunately, Santiago, you probably got the information here. You guys take 5 and 6. The group back here take 7 and 8. And then, Jenny, you guys take 9. And you guys take 10.
So we got 1 to 9.
Okay, look up the words. You got some of you got 3, some of you got 2. You got about 2 more minutes. Let's get her done.
2, 3.
Hurry up.
Make it 1.
Mitosis is the division of the cell nucleus.
Okay, y'all need to get the definition for your 2 words. That's 3 and 4, right? 3, 4. PMAC. Y'all, who's the spokesperson in this group? Elian, what does mitosis mean?
It's nucleus and
Wait a second. All right, rest of you need to be listening. Go ahead.
the concept of the nucleus division of the nucleus and the concept.
Okay, what type of cells, prokaryotic or eukaryotic, does mitosis occur in? Eukaryotic. Eukaryotic. Why? So we've got all these vocabulary words that we've talked about. Today what we're going to do is go through an article that I have found, and we're going to read one per group, please. We're going to read it, and then we're going to take some notes on it. And what I want you to do is your group then needs to write down some notes on this. Everybody needs to write the notes down. Because we got a bigger group. So, I'm going to read it for you. What is mitosis? And you need to follow along. Your group needs to follow along with what's being read. And then you need to write down some notes as what's being read to you. Okay, what is mitosis? This comes from a Live Science contributor, and it was contributed August 13, 2018, so it hasn't been that long ago. Noah?
Sorry, okay, I'm done.
I'm done too. We all need to be listening. We all need to be ready to write notes down. During the process, a single parent cell will divide and produce identical daughter cells. In this way, the parent cell passes on genetic material to each of its daughter cells. Okay, so that is the first part of this article. I need you to write down some notes from your reading and from what I read on this sheet of paper right here. Okay? Under the first column only. So that means you kind of got to get with your group because you have a copy of the article. Okay? You got about 4 minutes. Let's go. 4 minutes. Let's go. You need at least 4 main ideas from that reading. 4. Now, you have also received what is mitosis in a 4-2-1 chart like this. Got it? You should have. I gave you enough for everybody. All right, listen to the instructions. I need everybody's attention.
Everybody turn their attention.
Listen to me.
Here.
If you notice, there are 4 blanks across the top. That's where you write your 4 main ideas. Okay, don't do anything yet, just listen. Once you get your 4 main ideas done, then you're going to pull out the 2 most important ones. Okay? And write them. Everybody needs to write it. And then once the 2 are done, then what is the main idea? Okay? We're only doing the section that I read. I do not want you to do the whole article. I just want you to do the section that we read. Okay? So you write down your 4 main ideas. This means you kind of got to work together, amazingly enough. So write down the 4 main ideas. Quickly, let's go.
So
You've
guys
got
come together,
approximately 2 minutes
you guys gotta come
to write
together.
down the 4 main ideas.
Policy.
Okay. Jenny's group, you got to come up here and write down your one main idea.
Okay.
I don't care which one, use the right color, you got green.
So I'll put this?
Yep.
Okay. What if I can't reach it? Can I just write it right there?
She said, what if I can't reach it?
I didn't even think of that, I'm sorry. You don't get in Leo's spot.
Okay.
Okay. Y'all got make 2 ideas
Get
down?
your 2 main ideas.
Come on, guys, you got to make it work.
Then you have to go, discuss this forward and get your 2. Or. You're on. What do you think? What do you think your main 2, and then from the main 2, 1, okay? Okay.
Okay?
I'll underline the one that mitosis occurs in, just so that they know.
So you got your
Thank
main
you.
4, you go down to 2.
Let's listen. Okay, if you look up on the board, 2 of you have come up with basically the same idea, and then the other 2 have come up with different ideas of the main topic. So, the first, look up here, the first section of that article, we were just talking about the mechanism, okay, mechanism of cell division. And so, Jenny's group came up, cell division varies between prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Is that true?
Yeah.
How?
Because it only occurs in eukaryotic, that's why I underlined it.
Okay, say it again.
It only occurs in eukaryotic, that's why I underlined
Okay, what type of cell division?
it.
Mitosis and it actually meiosis. What happens in prokaryote? What's that type of cell division called? Starts with a B.
Binary fusion!
That would be correct, except it's fission. Okay?
My bad.
All right. Diego's group and Leo's group basically said universal process among living organisms. Cell division is a universal process among living organisms. Is that true?
Yes.
Pretty much. What would happen if it didn't happen?
There would be no
There'd be no essence.
Nobody.
Yeah.
There'd be no essence. Okay? Essence. Okay? All right. Then this last one says, I'm not sure, generates new cells through cell division, which is basically the same thing. Okay? So mitosis and meiosis generates new cells. Now I'm going to write something up here on the board. And I may be a little ahead of myself, but that's okay. I think you all can handle it. And you need to write this down on something.
Pencil, write this down. Pencil, write this down.
It says mitosis,
Mitosis makes,
mitosis
No.
makes
hold on.
makes toes.
Oh, y'all
She
kill
was
me.
probably thinking of toes.
Hey, write this down, write this down, write this
It makes toes.
Mitosis
Makes toes.
makes mitose. I forgot mine.
Makes my. I'm gonna say what?
I wish I could see it.
And meiosis makes me.
toes.
So what does that statement have anything to do with? Don't tell me, you write it down. Mitosis makes my toes. Meiosis makes me. And you might want to use some words that are underneath the vocabulary that we went over at the very beginning of the class. There was a reason I did that.
Meiosis makes me.
Mitosis makes my toes. Meiosis makes me. Mitosis and meiosis. What types of cells? Look at your list. It's real close to mitosis.
Meiosis?
No, look at your list. I'm giving all kinds of hints and y'all can't see it.
I just.
Mitosis is made of what?
Meiosis.
No. Look at the list of vocabulary words.
Body cell?
Body cells. Dang, Skippy. Mitosis makes body cells. Toes are body cells.
Yeah.
Y'all get that?
Yeah.
Body cells, somatic, autosomes, they go through PMAT, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Okay? Meiosis makes me. What does meiosis have to do with? Sex cells.
Like that.
Me. And then me too.
So you have to have a daddy, you have to have a mama, and they come together and they make me. Y'all get that?
Yeah.
But can you explain the first one again?
Mitosis has to do with body cells. So every cell in your body or any organism's body, animal bodies, okay, they have to have body cells to reproduce, like your skin. Think about your skin. It dies. The skin that you see at the top of your hand is dead. It started way down deep, and it moved its way up, and it slowly got to the top, and slowly died. Well, you have to have new cells to replace the dead cells. Okay? So they have to go through mitosis. That's the way they create new cells. All right? So body cells are all your cells in your body except what cells?
Body cells.
Except sex cells. And guys, that's the sperm, and in girls, that's the egg. Everything else is mitosis. Okay, which one, mitosis or meiosis, is diploid?
Yes.
Diploid. Di means,
Yeah.
look at number 8. Di means what?
Diploid.
Di means what? 2. So diploid means 2 chromosomes.
2 sex cells.
No. 2, well, yes, but we're not there yet. All right. Diploid means 2 sets of chromosomes. That's what mitosis is. Okay? Haploid means how many chromosomes? Sets. How many parts?
Only one.
1. That's
One copy of each chromosome.
one copy of each chromosome. That's meiosis.
Good.
All right. So we're going to read this probably again tomorrow to finish it up. But I wanted you to get how your vocabulary words that we've been working on for however many weeks. And I said that a long weeks. Okay? How that reflects on an article that has just been written within the past 6 months, and the things that they study about. Okay, some people aren't paying attention.
Look, please. Look up, please.
And the things that people study about and how it affects you. So you, as a human being, go through mitosis, and you also go through meiosis. Okay? So those two are all connected. Do we go through binary fission?